So firstly, you are here on Kashish Film Festival. What have been your experience? क्या experience रहा आपका बताना चाहेंगे?
I've had a wonderful experience being on the jury of the Kashish Film Festival. It's a very important film festival that showcases films by and about the LGBTQIA++ community, and I feel very proud to be part of the Kashish Pride Film Festival. It's in fact, we've got to see a very big range of films from many countries. As you can see, it's 133 films from 46 countries, and what's wonderful is this diversity of voices, and still in some way you feel they're all human stories, and therefore in many ways quite universal. And that's what I enjoyed the most, that they are films that are unafraid to go deep, to talk about very sometimes difficult truths, difficult experiences, but in very interesting ways, in very moving ways. So I really hope more people come out and watch the films, because it's a great selection and a great way to introduce yourself to many new kinds of ways of thinking.
So, as to the genre, what new angles did you explore about the context of LGBTQ?
More than what I felt very proud of was the way that a lot of people, I think another jury member also spoke about it, is that a lot of filmmakers who are queer have actually been part of the films themselves. So they've either directed and acted, or in some ways talked about their own lives. So I feel that gave me a real insight also into how, sometimes it's hard to put yourself in the shoes of a community if you're not part of it. But this was very much from the space of ownership, from the space of the personal experience. Or I learned a lot from that.
Also, people have been knowing you for producing content and showcasing your own OG content, but this time, how was the different experience while judging the other content?
It's been wonderful, honestly. I learned a lot as a filmmaker. I learned a lot as a human being, honestly, and it gave me a lot of faith in the fact that as humans we can really connect. We can really feel each other's pain, and that's what makes us human. Feel each other's struggles, and it made me really, as a filmmaker, also grow, and as a human being also feel humbled actually by the kind of honesty, by the kind of integrity that so many of these filmmakers have shown. I feel it's really brave. It's really quite remarkable also formally how people are dealing with film and how they treat it as a form. So I've had a lot of fun being part of the jury.
And I also would like to add on a very last thing. After an immense promising response of Lapata Ladies, what are the plans upcoming from the production?
So we are writing some 3 stories, 3 scripts. So I'm not sure what will get made next. But one is quite similar in tone. It's a comedy, and again has 2 women at the center of it, and it's an unusual, but actually not really. It's a quite an out and out funny, but like in a similar genre. I'm writing a supernatural kind of a thriller space. I'm writing something that's a dark kind of drama. So yeah, I'm writing a whole bunch of things. I hope to be making something soon.
Surely people will be waiting for all those interesting content. Lastly, if you'd like to add on something as a message to all your fans and viewers out there who are always excited to see something from your side.
I just want to thank everyone for the love. I mean, I feel really humbled. I feel beyond grateful. And honestly, as a filmmaker, this is the only award I can ever ask for, is the love that I've been getting. I just feel very fortunate, and I want to thank everybody who went out and saw the film in cinemas. I want to thank people who have been watching the film and posting and sending us so much love. I'm happy that I was able to touch you, and thank you for all your messages, and I hope to be giving you something thoughtful, something meaningful, something moving again sometime.
किरण मैम, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे जिस तरह कशिश फिल्म को सपोर्ट कर रही है
जी।
बट कहीं ना कहीं बॉलीवुड में ऐसी फिल्में बनी हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं ज़्यादा ड्रामास की वजह से सोसाइटी आज भी कहीं ना कहीं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती है, तो इस पर आपका क्या राय है?
अभी एक्चुअली ज़्यादा फिल्में बनी हैं नहीं और बहुत काम बाकी है बनाने और इन ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस को दर्शाने। हमने एक्चुअली फ्रिंज में बहुत सारी फिल्में बनी हैं, जैसे ओनीर जो हमारे कशिश में के फाउंडिंग मेंबर हैं, उन्होंने भी कितनी अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में बनाई हैं एक्सप्लोरिंग दीज इश्यूज़। तो अभी बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है और बहुत बाकी है, और हम सब एज एन ऑडियंस, एज एन इंडस्ट्री, एज ए कम्युनिटी हमको सपोर्ट करने की ज़रूरत है, नहीं तो ये आवाज़ें सामने नहीं आएंगी।
या और लापता लेडी की बात करूँ तो अगर मैं अपनी फेवरेट मूवी की बात करूँ तो माय फेवरेट मूवी नदिया के पार, आपने देखा होगा। सेकंड ये रहा मेरा, क्योंकि इसमें जिसने डीपली आपने दिखाया हर चीज़ को, छोटे से बड़े आर्टिस्ट को उतने इम्पोर्टेंस दिए और कहीं ना कहीं हर घर में इसे पसंद किया गया है। नेक्स्ट क्या प्लान है, ऐसे ही कुछ फिल्में लाने का है या फिर कुछ सस्पेंस थ्रिलर हॉरर?
जी, मैं 2-3 कहानियाँ लिख रही हूँ। एक थोड़ा इसी जॉनर के इस लापता लेडीज़ के जॉनर से मिलता जुलता है, क्योंकि ड्रामा है लेकिन कॉमेडी भी है उसमें। 2 औरतों की कहानी है और एक जैसे आपने कहा सस्पेंस, सुपरनैचुरल, इस टाइप का जॉनर है, हॉरर इश। और एक और है, तो है काफ़ी स्टोरीज़ मैं 10 साल से लिखती आई हूँ। धीरे धीरे उस होपफुली मंजिल तक पहुँचूँगी जब स्क्रिप्ट ग्रीन लाइट होगी और मैं बनाऊँगी। तब तक कोशिश जारी है मेरी। थैंक यू।